Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 8th class maths, exploring geometrical figures. In the earlier video, I have done about congruent figures. Now I am dealing with similar figures. What do you mean by similar figures? Two figures are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. This is the definition of similar figures. Two figures are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. Symbol is this. Now, as an example, I have taken two figures. One is two squares, A, B, C, D, and P, Q, R, S. These two are squares, and the side of AB and side of BC, one and one. Of course, sides will be having same measure for squares. So here 2 and 2. So all these angles are equal, that is 90 degrees each, and AB by PQ is 1 by 2, BC by QR also is 1 by 2. So sides are in proportional, so they are similar. Now when you take triangles, two triangles, when you see the measures, children, here 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, that means these two are equilateral triangles. And in equilateral triangle, each angle measures 60 degrees. So the angle measures are equal. Now AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is nothing but 2 by 3. So sides are proportional. So they are similar. Similarity for triangles will be, actually this is the symbol for similar figures. So please note it down, children. It is an introduction. Please note it down. Now, in example 1, in this figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and angle C is 53 degrees. Find angle P and PR, they said. So, what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given to us. When two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by PQ corresponding sides is equal to AC by PR. I can take AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. AB is 4 by PQ is 2 is equal to AC is 5 by PR. So 4 PR is equal to 2 into 5. So what is PR? 2 into 5 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Therefore, PR is equal to 2.5. Now, so first part we have finished. What is PR? This is one answer. Next, angle P they are asking. We know that in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is 180 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q is 90 degrees plus angle R is 53 degrees is 180 degrees. That is angle P plus 143 degrees is 180 degrees. So what is angle P? 180 degrees minus 143 degrees. So from 180, if you subtract 143, 7 here, 3 here, 37 degrees. Therefore, angle P is equal to 37 degrees. This is one more answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Two triangles they have given, and they said that these two are similar. Angle B is 90 degrees, angle Q is 90 degrees, AB is 4, BC is 3, AC is 5 they have given, PQ is 2. Angle C is 53, here also they have given 53. Of course, when these two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. So, angle C is equal to angle R 53 degrees. Now, we want to find out what is PR. We know that when two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. So 4 by 2 is 5 by PR. So cross multiplication, 4 PR is 2 into 5. PR is 2 into 5 by 4. 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So PR is 2.5. Now, again you want P, angle P. So in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is 180 degrees. So angle P plus 90 plus 53 is 180. Angle P plus 143 is 180. So angle P is 180 minus 143. That is 37 degrees is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now, the second example is draw two squares of different sides. Can you say that they are similar? Explain. Find the ratio of their perimeters and areas. What do you observe? So, let us take two squares. This is one square and this is another square. Let me say it A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S. It is having sides as 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4. So, A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S are two squares. Therefore, all angles measure 90 degrees each. For all angles measure 90 degrees. So, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CD by RS is equal to DA by SP is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So, what you can say? ABCD is similar to PQRS. They are similar. Now the next thing is find the ratio of the perimeters. So first let me write perimeter of ABCD is equal to 4 into side. That is 4 into ABCD side is 2, that is 8. And perimeter of PQRS is 4 into side, 4 into 4, that is 16. Now the ratio you need to find out ratio. Ratio is 8 by 16, that is 1 by 2. So what do you observe here? Ratio of the sides and ratio of perimeters of two squares are equal. Ratio of perimeter of the squares is equal to ratio of their sides. This is what you have noted down here. This is about perimeter. So when you find perimeter, now let us go for area. Area of ABCD is side into side. That is 2 into 2, 4. Area of PQRS, side into side, 4 into 4, 16. So, the ratios are 4 by 16, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. So, ratio of areas of the squares is equal to a ratio of square of the sides. Square of the sides ratio. Perimeter means same measure you are getting, but area means you are getting square. So the question is what? They have asked you to draw two squares. So these two are squares I have drawn. I took the measures like this 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4. Whether these two are similar. Each angle is measuring 90 degrees and corresponding sides ratio is 1 by 2. All are having 1 by 2 only, so these two are similar to each other. Now they are asking to find ratios of the perimeter. Perimeter is 4 into side. So ABCD perimeter is 8, PQRS perimeter is 16. So their ratio is 8 by 16, that is 1 by 2. See, this is 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2. That means ratio of perimeter of the squares is equal to ratio of their sides. Now, when you ask for area of ABCD is side into side, that is 4. PQRS area is 4 into 4, that is 16. Their ratio is 4 by 16, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 is sides ratio. Their square you are getting. That means ratio of areas of squares is equal to ratio of square of the sides. So please note it down, children. This is example 2. Now example 3, children. Jagadish tried to estimate the height of a tree. This is a tree, children. He tried to estimate the height of a tree by covering the height with a vertical scale. So here he kept a scale so that he can cover this height. Vertical scale holding at a distance of 50 centimeters from his eyes. The person observer is here. From here 50 centimeters. That this distance is 50 centimeters from his eyes along the horizontal line as shown in the figure. If the scale measurement of the tree is 15 centimeters, so when they measure on the scale, he found that it is 15 centimeters, and the distance of the tree from the Jagadish is 50 meters. From here to here, the distance is 50 meters. Find the actual height of the tree. So this is a tree, children. Observer Jagadish is here. The distance is 50 meters. What he did, 50 centimeters away from him, he kept a scale so that the scale totally covered the tree. The height that he observed is 15 centimeters. So you have to find out what is the height of the tree. Now here we are getting two triangles, children. That is in triangle OAB and triangle OCD. In these two, angle A is equal to angle C, 90 degrees. They are 90 degrees perpendicular. And what else we can say when these two are 90 degrees? Angle O is common. Angle O is equal to angle O. Both of them are having common angle. Therefore, triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD by using a corollary, children, angle corollary. Corollary means it is a statement which doesn't need any proof. When two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the triangles are similar to each other. So here we have found angle A is equal to angle C and angle O is equal to angle O. It is common. So we'll say that two triangles are similar to each other. When two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Therefore, what you can say, AB by CD is equal to OA by OC. When I am taking AB of small triangle, and CD of big triangle ratio. Here also OA small triangle side I have to take by OC. So AB is what? 15 centimeters. So here 15 centimeters, children. This is in meters. This is in centimeters. So 15 centimeters can be written as 0.15 meters, and 50 centimeters can be written as zero point 0.5 meters. So AB is point, that is 0.15 by CD. What is a CD? AB by CD. CD is H is equal to OA. OA is 50 centimeters, means 0.5 by OC. OC is 50. So children, in order to cancel this decimal, I can multiply H with 100 so that this decimal will cancel. And if I keep one more zero here, this decimal also will be cancelled. That means H into 100 into 5 is equal to 15 into 500. So what is H? 15 into 500 by 100 into 5. These two zeros, 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 15. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to 15 meters. This is the answer for this problem, children. Basing on similarities of triangle, this problem exists. See, what is this? CD is the height of a tree. AB is a scale. An observer, by keeping the scale, he has closed the view of this tree. And the scale is at a distance of 50 centimeters, and the distance between the observer and tree is 50 meters, and the height of the scale that he used is 15 centimeters. So what is the height of the tree? So in these two triangles, triangle OAB and triangle OCD, in these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle C 90 degrees, angle O is equal to angle O common. Both of the triangles are having same angle. So triangles are similar to each other basing on angle corollary. When these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. AB by CD is equal to OA by OC. AB is what? AB is 15 centimeters. I have converted into meters. Why? Because this is measured in meters. So everything I have converted in meters. 15 centimeters means 0.15 meters. 50 centimeters means 0.5 meters. So 0.15 by H is equal to 0.5 by 50. I kept 0 so that I can cancel 2 zeros here, that means 100. 1 0 I have kept it here. So on cross multiplication, H into 100 into 5 is equal to 15 into 500. So H is equal to 15 into 500 by 100 into 5. 15 meters is the height of the tree, children. So please note it down. With this, I'm going to complete my topic today. In the next class, I'll be doing the next part.